entertainment. Entertainment.
Okay, I'm not sure why my screen is blacked out. Hold on, guys. Okay. Everything was just fine. Hold on, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Sheesh. Alright, so we good? Good morning, y'all. Good morning, Angelo. Good morning, Kashaya. Good morning. I slept pretty good. I'm feeling a whole lot better today. 100% than yesterday. Good morning, good morning. Alright. My volume sounds good. Alright. Let's get to these charts. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Amen. Alright. So, as I was marking up my, slept good, waiting on a bit more comfortably. Yeah, I'm not getting to nothing yet. So, yeah, as I looked at the charts this morning, thank you, Grave. Thank y'all so much. I feel a whole lot better. I feel bad because I wanted to trade Asian session last night, but I just couldn't. I didn't have the strength to. But I'm feeling a whole lot better tonight. But as I looked at London session, I low-key want to trade London tonight because London just keep giving these accumulation, manipulation, and distribution move. I mean, like, look at that. Off of this fair value gap right here, that's 174 points. Like, beautiful entry. Like, if I go to the 1 minute, let me show you guys what my setup would have looked like if I would have traded it. So this box right here is the Asian range, right? Asian range. So this is my SMT. That's my SMT. Kind of would have got caught in price if I would have marked this one. Let me see. It was one over here somewhere that I saw. But when it actually made that SMT, it went up, took this high, and then it displaced down on this fair value gap, and it took off. Like, that's the easiest, most simplest, like, elementary displacement I've ever seen for London session. And it happened at 1:13. It happened pretty early. It didn't even happen around like 3 or 5 or anything like that. Like it happened at like 1:13 a.m. That was a beautiful London trade. It couldn't get no better than that. So it's like all week it has been showing beautiful London power of 3 setups all week. Like you can see it clear as day. Like I know somebody ate off of that. Like that is it's a straight shot. Then it came back down and tapped into this fair value gap at 8:15 this morning, and then of course news, pushed this back up. If you just wanted to go off of, let's see, hold on, that's the wrong thing. Before it even took off, it was like this little range right here. So I mean, it came back and it even broke out and it came back. So that could have been like a trade, right? I mean, it was just so many opportunities for London session. Like it is insane. It is insane. Like it is just insane. The market just gave beautiful setups. But here we are now. We are in this range right here. There was a fair value gap in the discount here. This would have been a beautiful entry for 8:15, but of course, like news, it just wasn't. It's best not to trade for news. But just looking at it from retrospect, like it tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap perfectly into the discount of this leg here, and then now it's pushing back up. So what I'm looking for to take out the buy side, of course. And I already took the previous daily high. I already took that out, and we are actually in the middle of a daily fair value gap right now. I'm about to delete it, but I wanted to show you guys that we are in a daily fair value gap right now. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame real quick. Move this out of the way. So yeah, so this candle took the previous daily high. Normally when it takes that high and it's a bullish candle, you look for the next candle to take that high, and it did. I already took out the previous daily high. This was the teeny tiny daily fair value gap that is literally pushing into right now. It didn't really react off of it. The previous day fair value gap did tap into it and kind of dropped a little bit, and then when this candle opened, it just pushed right into it. And there's also a 1 hour fair value gap up here, and I marked the consequent encroachment of the 4 hour fair value gap. This is the 4 hour, so I got my little dotted line to basically, because I didn't want to put so much here, so I just did the the CE of the 4 hour fair value gap there. And I have this 1 hour fair value gap that has not been tapped into, and price is bouncing off of a 1 hour fair value gap as well. And this is also like a 15-minute all-in-one, so it's just price basically bouncing off of this after tapping. Let me see, what is the percentage on this right here? Yeah, it tapped in 70%, 75% of this hourly fair value gap. So yeah, this is basically what we're looking at so far today. That's just what I'm what I looked at coming to the charts. Just marked everything up. I'm about to delete this daily fair value gap because it's no longer valid in my opinion, because it already did what it was going to do, reacted off of it. There's nothing much left from that. I'm gonna keep this hourly fair value gap right here just to kind of for my eyes. I'm a 15-minute, my bad, 15-minute fair value gap. I don't want to be. My bias for the day, I would say bullish. Just for right now, because I really wanted to keep going and push into this 1 hour gap and push into the CE of the 4 hour fair value gap. You have some levels up there, so I'm looking at these take profits if I were to take buys, so yeah. But at the end of the day, I'm just gonna watch price action. If price action shows something else on the 1 minute, which is where I take my entries, then that's where I'll take my positions and whatnot. But I was kind of looking at the higher time frames, like the 15 and stuff like that, But now I'm breaking down to the smaller time frames, is kind of looking at what's going on. Yeah, so we're definitely inside the range right now. It's kind of looking like a little wedge to me, but it's refusing to break it. Like even if I just did this right here, it broke through and went back, broke through. So it's looking a little wedgish to me. As you guys know, I do trade wedges, but it has to be it has to like coincide with my strategy, like with my my setup. So it has to be like a fair value gap somewhere in this area, something with it breaking. But yeah, so I just wanted to point that out. So we have 2 minutes for market open. I'm fighting for, as y'all can see, I'm fighting for my life on this My Funded Futures account. So it's neither here nor there, but I'm gonna try to take my time and get it back up to par. Before I actually went on about my way, I did lose $100 from agent session, but I didn't really trade it like for real. It was just like a short entry. But there were also some good entries for agent session before I knocked out. So I guess I can go over that later. I just don't want to miss a setup right now. But I feel like I wanna be able to trade the looking for shorts. Oh, okay. I want to be able to trade the macro with the volume. But I'm not gonna lie, what made me profitable is like the silver bullet setup between 10 and 11. So it's like sometimes it'll show a volume entry with that macro time, and then it'll show a silver bullet. So I'm just being more aware with that. And then looking at what it did yesterday at 3:15 was beautiful. Like I shared it in my Discord as well. The 3 to 4 p.m. macro, like that was a beautiful setup. It took out this high over here because it already was moving for the day, so it wasn't really like, I guess for this particular setup it really wasn't time for an SMT. But it took this high, formed a fair value gap, market structure shift, boom, another one, boom, like it was just beautiful. And then it dropped, it took out these lows right here, and then that's when it just corrected and started to push up. But this was a beautiful afternoon trade. Like that was really nice. Okay, that's good. We got some sell pressure there. Before the same short, but we need to see if we invert that hourly gap. Yeah. I also have like my markups on ES on the 15. I kind of look at it, looking at it from a 15-minute perspective to see what price is doing on ES over here. Kind of keeping an eye out, because it's not really like no inside levels. It's basically London high, London low levels right now, and then I have the 8:30 open and then the midnight open levels. So yeah, it look like it's finally trying to break. It's trying to break this little wedge right here for market open. Ooh, nice. That's right, Angelo. Well, how are y'all doing this morning? It's Thursday. We had some good morning, Michelle. It's Thursday. We had some news this morning at 8:30. Core retail sales and unemployment claims this morning. Good morning. This one was kind of tricky because it like it didn't leave a gap. It wicked into that candle. That's nice. But this that 15-minute fair value gap slash hourly fair value gap. It could reverse off of it like it did. This was the candle before news. The candle before news reacted more than the 8:30 candle. But yeah, the wedge is complete pretty much. This the wedge that I was looking at. But it didn't show me like a gap that it could trade into. But it still would have been risky because we're still in this range, so. Hey, this is a 15-minute slash hourly gap. Oh, these are equal lows down here, so I think it definitely. Well, this candle is a little bit lower than, yeah, that was a little bit lower than that candle, but still, that's like relative equal lows down there. That price can possibly take out. What I wanted to do is invert this right here. That's a nice little drop right there. Just looking. It could break out. That's what I'm saying. Like, I've been a retail trader for so long. I've been it's been about this year, January made 2 years trading ICT concepts. So it's like when I see a wedge or if I see a candlestick pattern, it's like I can't unsee those things because I've been retail trading for so long. But that rejection though, but the buy side, the sell side is basically London high, London low. So I can see from my indicator, this blue, like this blue rectangle, that's like London session. So London high, London low. It took out Asian high and Asian low. So it didn't create a new daily high or a daily low yet. So just watch it for now. Let's see. We reacted off of that 8:30 open. Well, that wedge look even better on ES because that's 3 touches. Well, I wouldn't say. Well, yeah, I guess it would be considered a wedge slash trend line. Looks even better on ES. I don't know. Sometimes ES be giving like better entries because it does stuff faster than that sometimes. It really do. But yeah, the wedge has been completed. Well, this one anyway. But look at that. Look at that gap. Think it might tap back into this on the 5 though. It's 5 minutes. Well, we still have a minute until this candle closes, but that can be a retest. But I mean, it already completed a wedge, so it's kind of like. Yeah, and that's considered a premium. That might be a nice 5-minute sell entry. But, it's in the middle of that range though. But the way it's rejecting off of this 15-minute for a value gap, it might go ahead and break this trend line. But for right now, it keep rejecting this 8:30 open. Like, look at the 2-minute. It will not close above this 8:30 open. I'm just marking up, y'all. Good morning, Ryan. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. I'm using one account. I plan to do that if I buy another one. I only have one right now. Look at that rejection off that 2-minute. Well, that's the 2 and the 5. It rejected off the 15. I mean, off the 50% of the 5-minute. So both of these fair value gaps correlate with one another. I'd rather do the 5 though because it actually tapped the 50% perfectly. So I'm gonna mark this at the 5. Sometimes I do like to label my gaps so I can, if I see it, I can go to that time frame and look at what I was looking at. We have 8 minutes until 9:50 macro. Oh, I do have a scripture of the day. 2 Chronicles 20 and 17. Open your Bibles. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm gonna read it real quick. 2 Chronicles 20 and 17. But you will not even need to fight. Take your positions and stand still and watch the Lord's victory. He is with you, O people of Judah and Jerusalem. Don't be afraid or discouraged. Go out against them tomorrow, for the Lord is with you. Scripture of the day, guys. Stay strong. Stay strong. God is with you. Do not be discouraged. Do not be dismayed. God is with you. Don't sweat. Don't trip. He got you. Alright, so price bounced off of this 5-minute fair value gap. I really wanted to break this 15-minute fair value gap. I really wanted to break this 15-minute fair value gap and possibly take it to the sell side, because like I told y'all, like I'm gonna try so hard not to really expect too much, like 20 to 40 or 20 to 50 points per trade now, because I have been getting some bomb entries, but they just don't last. They haven't been lasting, man. You're welcome, you're welcome. I don't think I did one yesterday. I forgot to do a scripture yesterday. But I'm gonna try to do it on every stream, because you know it's early in the morning. So if you start your morning off good on the right foot, then you're gonna have a great day. You're gonna always have a great day. Always pray. Every time you wake up, thank God that He gave you another day. Put breath in your body, and continue to pray for the people in Los Angeles, because we live in the last days, y'all. That's crazy, man. Fire. It's a deeper meaning to that, but I don't want to dig deep in that. We just trading. We be trading. I don't want to get too deep. But it looks like we're going to get that inversion off of this 15-minute and hourly gap. But see, the hourly is like down here, though. Yeah, the hourly is right here, so we shall see. Nice. Thank you, Caesar. On a Zoom call, Trader Grave. Yeah. See, it's a lot of things that I want to do with the Discord, man. So many things, like so many ideas. It's about implementing it. So it's like I have some, life is going on right now. Like if y'all, I don't want to get personal, but it's a lot of stuff going on personally in my life. If you see me, I'm smiling, you would think, why are you smiling? Like you going through some stuff. But hey, when you got God on your side, you don't need to worry. So, but yeah, for my Discord, I do want to have like some Bible study sessions too. That's the goal. And if you're not in my Discord, pull up to the Discord. It's $25 a month. It's worth it. I have rehearsal tonight. I have rehearsal tonight, but I'm thinking about trading London, y'all. If y'all know I'm thinking about trading London. I don't know, but if I trade London, I'm not streaming on YouTube. But London has been giving some bomb entries, bro. Like if you look right now in the 15, like I was saying earlier, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, like that. It's like the most clear cut power of threes for London session all week. Like it's been giving simple stuff, man. And then it only happened at like 1:13 this morning. So it happened. It didn't even have to go. It didn't even happen around 4 or 5 this morning. It was like at 1 something in the morning. Like that move happened at 1 something, 1 a.m. Like come on, man. That was 174 points. when it distributed, bro, and took out that previous daily high. Like, that is insane. That's insane. Alright, guys, so it is inverting this 15-minute fair value gap. Nice, nice, nice. That's what we need. I wanted to go ahead and take out this low here. 2 minutes away from the macro time. Wow, the way is dumping through this new day opening gap. That's what this blue line is. The new day opening candle. So that's always a good sign, because price really be bouncing off of that thing. See how it's rejecting off of it now? That's crazy. Yeah, that end dog ain't no joke. It's like a magnet. But if it break through that thing, then that means price really about business this morning. Back. Are you left? But yeah, we shall see. I don't know, but price normally, oh, it took it out on London. I mean on ES. Let me see what ES doing. Let me see. Yeah, ES just took out the sell side. Nice, nice, nice. NAS tripping as usual. Could this be a SMT pendant on ES? I need NAS to take out that low. But NAS, I feel like NAS might print a SMT and not take out that low. I ain't gonna put it there yet. I'm gonna let price kind of do its thing. There's a gap here. I don't want to count NAS completely out, but it's definitely consolidating around this end dog and this midnight open right here. Okay, let's go NAS. I'm gonna keep an eye out on ES though, because it can be a displacement if it come out and take this high, or take some type of high, displace, and come back down. I look for the same setup every day, y'all. Same setup. I don't. Only thing that might be added is like a wedge or something. To be praised. Sorry, I'm a church girl. I may bust out a church song every now and then. Well, I wouldn't say church, but gospel song. Alright, come on now. What y'all stalling for? What y'all stalling for? It's macro time. You gotta do something. Yeah, come on. It did not take the sell side, so it's a SMT somewhere. It's gonna be it right here. Alright, so we got 51 seconds. Going back to the 50% of that 15-minute fair value gap. Got 36 seconds left on this candle. I'm not gonna mark this fair value gap until this candle closes. And I wish I can play like my own music I want to play on here, but you know, YouTube be doing them copyright strikes. I don't have time for that. All right, wait a minute. All right. Now, if it pushes through this gap, then I know like it's wanting to trade lower. If it disrespects this gap, I'll know that, you know, it ain't trying to really buy yet. It's consolidating on ES2 off that end dog. Yeah, it ain't trying to buy yet. And it bounced off that 50% again, or that 15-minute fair value gap. So I just need Nas to just go ahead and check out this sell side. Just go ahead and just go ahead and tap that real quick for me. Just bounced off this midnight open. Come on. What movie is that off of? Come on. What up, though?
I can go back to work Monday.
This Monday coming?
Yes.
Oh, look, come. Look.
Oh, I'm brackety looking.
No, you're not gonna be in the camera.
What is this?
Look at that. Why don't he do it?
Next Friday?
Yeah. I mean, he trying to get the. I mean, if he pull up. Yeah, I'm trying to sell my car.
I gotta call HR. And I just called the office, and I was like, I had surgery on the 3rd. I'm trying to figure out when I can go back to work. And she's like, hold on, let me see. And she's like, what type of work you do? I said, I drive forklifts. I said, I sit down and ride all day. She told me, as long as you're not
Best friend talking, y'all. Best friend.
doing any heavy lifting. And I'm like, no, I don't lift anything. I sit down and ride all day. And she was like, well, and she said, you're not on any pain medication. No, not on anything. I done went 3-4 days without any pain medication.
Right.
And so she was like, well, she said, you want me to email it to you or you want to pick it up? So now I got to call HR to see how they want that to operate. Like if they want me to email it to them or have them to email it to them and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited.
I know, right?
Go back to work, bro.
Never been so proud to go to work in it.
I ain't telling nobody nothing. Not even Bethany.
Yeah, say
I'm
nothing.
walk in that bitch on Monday.
Why you gonna ride? She
Moya.
Oh.
She'll be my ride home.
Alright, y'all. That was my best friend. That's my bestest friend in the whole wide world. She had surgery and she finally get to go back to work. So she's excited about going back to work.
Hey gang, that's on live. My bad.
Yeah, so I'm glad that she had a speedy recovery with her surgery, so she's doing great. Thank God for that. Alright, so we're having a bit of stalling right now. This is the clusterphobic macro, my bad. It's consolidating. It's not closing outside of this fair value gap, though. It is not. Okay, prove me wrong then. Prove me wrong. I gotta gotta look at the bigger picture. See what I'm looking at. Make sure I ain't tripping. Alright. It's like, I wouldn't mind hopping in sales there, but at the same time, I don't like the way it's consolidating right there. And on ES too, it's like, you're confused on where you want to go. And I don't like confusion. I don't like it. I don't like it. So it look like it may be like a silver bullet then, because this macro was trash. I don't even know why I have a phone case at this point. I'll just take it off. Because it's so bulky. Because I have this. You know, I have all my cards and everything. So it's just, sometimes it just be too much. You looking for loans after you take London. Okay. I'm just going to watch price action. Now, ES just broke it. I don't know, man. I don't know. Because now it's taking a sweet time to break these lows. And ES already done took it out. But ES it's not really showing the entry, though, because it had consolidated. So, eh. I'm going to mark my silver bullet time bracket on ES real quick. Oh, alright. That'll work. Yay. We're about to inverse the 1 hour fair value gap. Well, you just bounced off of this 1 hour fair value gap right there. Well, tanked through it. What 1 hour fair value gap you talking about, Catherine? Talking about this right here? This one right here? Ooh. Oh, you talking about on the way down? Okay, yeah. That's what happened. That's what happened, Catherine. I just needed to take out this low first before I can try to. I just didn't trust that consolidation. Yeah, I got you, Catherine. I know what you're talking about. But yeah, it actually it didn't break all of this, so if it inverted it, both of them at one time. How y'all feeling this morning? Anybody took trades? Anybody took any trades this morning? I know somebody probably took this trade right here off this 5-minute gap. It's not really a, I mean, this would be considered like a little divergence, but I'd rather my S&Ts be a little wider than that. Now, I may be interested in sales. Yeah, price running away. It is. Oh, well, golly. It just pushed right through that thing. What are you doing? Well, I would have been blowed if I was in sales right now. Nasty work. Nasty. I don't even. It's almost like I should get it sales right there, but the way it just. This is definitely a reversal pattern. This is a morning star candlestick pattern. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and mark this fair value gap and see if it's going on ahead and push up in reverse or not. Just get it. 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Dang, it's happening to it already. But that's still too close though. That's still too close for an entry. Like whenever you see this consolidation, that's suspect. And it's like, I need some space. That was a nice drop off of it, but how many ticks was that?
I forgot.
That was good.
Her big mouth, she might tell somebody.
Who?
Kadab.
I don't know who
That
that
I'm
is.
coming back to work. The HR lady.
Oh, okay.
She's like, hey girl, how you doing? Tell me you feeling good. And she told me it's supposed to snow and storm next week, oh.
I believe it when I
She
see
said
it.
it's supposed to say that. It's been saying on everything, like on every forecast.
I don't believe
and
it.
stuff. Well, I'm telling you, they said it the last time they said it.
Who on my stream? Who on my stream is stays in Georgia? Good morning. Good morning to you, man.
Started in Atlanta and stuff up there. They said it's supposed
Took
to
that
snow
long.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thursday is supposed to be a big rainstorm. So she was saying we should go ahead and get everything that we need for the house before the roads and stuff turn to ice. Hey, better prepared than not prepared. I think we need to go get some dish.
Oh yeah, we gonna be able to get some dish.
Cause we got food and stuff. We just need to make sure our house is.
I believe it when anybody in here staying in
I
Georgia.
understand that. I know you're gonna say that. And we
I know
say
Atlanta's snowing right now, but we in Savannah.
But it's
Savannah,
more than just Atlanta. It's other places that's closer to us that's been saying there's snow.
It did snow in Georgia in 2018, 2019, whatever. It was like between 2017 and 2020.
Why are you so against it?
Cause I'm not
Let
getting my
it
hopes
snow,
up.
baby,
I'm
let
not
it
gonna be getting my hopes up. It's gonna snow and be outside.
Well, ain't
for
nobody
nothing.
telling you to get your hopes up. We telling you to be prepared for the storm.
I mean, yeah, of course,
In case we
but
can't go nowhere.
I'm not as far as the excitation. I was about to say excitation.
Oh, but the process is she had to send an email to Kadada. Then Kadada gonna forward it to the nurse, and the nurse supposed to contact me.
It's too much confusion going on.
It's not, Nicole.
I'm talking about the charts.
Oh, I'm about to say it's a three-way thing. Like, what in the world? But
It's too much.
so the nurse supposed to call me and want to do like an assessment with me or something.
Or ask you questions of basically how you feeling and stuff like that.
Want me to come in person.
Oh well, might as well go ahead and secure transportation.
I don't know how to. Only transportation I can secure is your family. I don't have nobody.
I guess just let me know.
If I'm trying to make it a surprise, I can't ask Beth because her mouth is so
Well,
big.
she may be the only one then.
No, she got her own stuff to do anyway with her kids and her boyfriend and stuff.
Her
That look like my
boyfriend.
laptop over
Her
there.
boyfriend. Yeah, it is.
Girl, I got to go.
Oh Lord.
That food gonna be so.
Ooh, yeah, them
It's gonna be
leftovers.
marinated.
Don't talk about it.
Be
It's only
about it.
10 on 7.
Don't talk about it. Walk about it. Oh, what you fasting?
No, I'm fasting tomorrow.
Oh, you gotta be telling me these things. Just leave me out here for the devil myself.
You knew that.
No,
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
No, I didn't. I thought, no, I swear I did.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Because I just remember you said, oh, we just overlooked the
6
fast today.
6 to 2 p.m.
You know you be trying to make up your own rules.
No, I don't. Alright, y'all. It's just a bunch of confusion in this macro, so I'm just looking for a silver bullet setup at this point, really. But I'm glad it did take it out. It took out that low, so it would have been an entry right here off of this, but I just don't trust it.
No, sorry.
Alright now.
It's the last time I'm busting. We can breathe, bro.
Yeah.
We can breathe, bro.
Yeah, we'll definitely talk about it.
We can breathe, for sure. I had to say that because I'm excited about work. I just overlooked the fact of the text you just said.
Yeah. Amen. Shut the door before you say something. Oh, Lord. I mean, it's like... It's still not closing above this 1 minute fair value gap, though, but it swept these highs over here. Somebody said they took the long inverted fair value gap, Caesar. You talking about this one right here? Yeah, that thing happened quick. I want to hop in buys, but at the 2 minute fair value gap. Let's go. Let's go. Two minute fair value gap. I'm trying to see which one. Oh, right here. Right here. Okay, alright. If I don't see my setup, I'm not taking a trade. Right now, it's just... I don't like this. Because it can be so thick. It can push up like it just did just now and just come right back into this consolidation. I'll remove that for right now to remove the confusion. I see you, Caesar. I don't know though, because I wanted to get far away from this as possible. What I might end up doing, I might end up taking a trade when they break this this wedge. Still didn't close above that 1 minute fair value gap. Hold us, you got ML on live with you. We talking about ML? Remember that? Hold us, you got ML on live with you. You talking about my best friend grave? You talking about? But it did inverse this 2 minute. Let me see if ES did. Yeah, ES didn't tap it. Crazy over you. Whoa. I mean, there are sell opportunities. It's just not my setup. I gotta stick to my rules. Could have took a sell off there. Could have took a sell here, but I do not see a SMT. I mean, this could be it here, but I just don't like the way. I don't know. It just look weird. It just doesn't look. I don't know. And this could be one, but it just needs to be obvious. I don't want to. I don't want to. How can I explain it? Like, I don't want to just be taking it. It has to be very obvious for me to take the trade. I don't want to just be taking it because, oh, it may be doing this. You know what I mean? Like, it has to be super obvious for me to take it. I remember when. Oh, that song in my mind. In my mind. Alright. No, I'm gonna leave it. Might need it later. I don't know. That's what happened Monday. Either Monday or Tuesday. Head and shoulders. Oh my god. Shoulder, head, possible shoulder. What you think? Okay, Grave. That's what's up. Okay. You win some, you lose some. The most important thing, if you have enough to trade for another day. You feel me? Alright, guys. Let's see. Nasdaq is slick. Look at that. But it's just the fact that we have this 2-minute gap that it rejected off of 3 times. Three distinct times.
Anybody know why the tissue on the other end of the counter?
Oh, that was me. You cannot whisper to save your life. Alrighty. I want to hop in buys here because of this gap here. And I ain't gonna lie, it is a head and shoulders pattern. I can't ignore that. I want to say this can be a SMT, but if it closes above, like if this 1 minute candle right here can close above this 1 minute fair value gap, then I may take buys. Because I can't ignore this head and shoulders pattern right here. And this can possibly be a SMT, and it's tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap. So I have reason enough to take buys off of this right here. But it has to close above at least. And it seemed like it's failing to. I need that close above for me to do that. I will be taking the trade on Topstep this morning. I need that close on that 1 minute. I mean, yeah, above this 1 minute fair value gap. I need it. Come out. Don't be shy. She do not be with. I'm pretty sure y'all heard that. I'm pretty sure y'all heard it. Alright, yeah, if it can close above here, then I'm all in. Come on, baby. You can do it. Then I'll probably just take it to that. I'm not even trying to get a lot out of it. Honestly. It's still risky though, because it is in this consolidation, but it is a head and shoulders too. So it's like you just gotta take your risk. I mean, it's my setup, but oh my god, it's refusing to close. That's right. Come on, 24 seconds. Alright, I'm finna see how many contracts I'm gonna risk. I may do 5 and risk. Risk 220 to make $650. Still didn't close though. It still closed inside. Man, if I could have caught this down here though, but it was so slick though. It was so slick. I mean, it was so slick, man. I'm finna just mark this consolidation right here. Just the bodies. I'm not counting wicks. This is all bodies inside of this consolidation. It is not closing above. See what I'm saying? I'm trying not to get played today as much as possible. $15 has a nice fair value gap for yeah, that was the one that I marked this morning. It's basically all in one. Let me see what it's looking like. I'm looking for my silver bullet, man. It's not really... I don't know. This may be the silver bullet right here. I don't know. But it's consolidating too much to tell. But it's clear as day right there. It is. Alright. New candle. Who this? Let's go. I need clothes. What I don't want to happen though, if it like just keep going once it breaks this and just and then close right here. That's what I don't want to happen. So it's like if it's I may have to take my, like right there, I may have to take my chances and just hop in. I mean, I'm gonna be risking like probably like 250. I may take it higher, or I may take partials right here at this high and then let it run to the buy side. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop in buys right here. Finally got the clothes that I wanted. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me, see what I'm saying? This is what I didn't want to happen. What was my entry? 21414.25. Reverse soon as I got in, y'all. I didn't even get a time to place my, oh my bad. I didn't even get a chance to set my stop loss. But hopefully it bounces off of that. Dang it. It happened so freaking fast. Let me see. I'm going to give this... I'm getting my behind handed to me right now. Golly. Literally, when I got in, it reversed. Literally when it closed, man. I couldn't even freaking... I didn't even have... Y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it. It's as transparent as I can be with you guys. That was nasty, bro. Look, that was so nasty. Look at that. Literally at my entry. Literally. When it closed and I got in and it just dropped. It disrespected the close. It even took out this high right here. And it just... This is why I was so freaking cautious on getting in, because I knew whenever it's like a consolidation like this, it just goes right back in it and just keep playing. I ain't gonna lie, man. That might be it for me today. That just pissed me off. Cause why? Why? It didn't close above this since 950, the 950 macro. It didn't even close above, and it finally closed, and it just reversed like that. Like, that was just nasty, bro. That was so nasty. I was already down 100, so it was like 340. It was 340. Well, I just got my behind handed to me on a silver platter, bro. Silver platter. That was so freaking. I didn't even have time. Like y'all saw, man. I didn't even have time to set my stop loss. I was trying to set the coordinates, and it just hit my stop loss right before I even had a chance to even set my stop loss. Seeking the, yep, exactly, Caesar. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Anytime you have consolidation, it's just... Now, what it did do, and for ES2, where is it at? Oh, it was right here. Right here. This was the first consolidation. And then it broke out of this consolidation. And then it created its own consolidation. But yeah, but I would say anytime you have consolidation, it'll break out. It's best just to wait for that breakout. And at this point, it's like, it has to be a continuation candle. But when, and that's the thing, it's like you kind of got to catch it, because sometimes when that first candle that break out, it go up so high. And then sometimes on those candles, when they go high, it just be, that next candle will go right back down into it and fill it in. So it's dangerous to try to catch the continuation, because that next candle can dip right back into that previous candle that pushed up. So yeah, and that's another thing though. That's what ICT says, like whenever you have like a large expansion overnight, I think he said not to even trade, or I forgot what was the other thing, but I think it was just don't trade. Look at that expansion from London. Look at that. Whenever you have that expansion, yeah, it's just bound to do something crazy. But I mean, this is a part of trading, y'all. It's a part of trading. Like, you're not gonna win every trade. And just, golly, sorry, some type of hiccup. It's not even hiccups. I don't even know what it is. But I'm gonna wait, because we're still inside this consolidation. So I'm gonna remove this. That's why I really wasn't like that SMT. It just didn't look SMT-ish, if that makes sense. It just didn't look like my regular SMT, but it was divergence there, but it just wasn't. I at least need a little bit more space. It did look a little suspect. But then when I saw this head and shoulders right here, and I was like, oh yeah, like it's gonna reverse, like. And then that's when it bounced off this 1 minute gap here. So I was like, oh yeah, it's finna. Then once it came up, this leg came up right here. I was like, oh yeah. Nope. Oh no, it didn't work out. I was wrong. Yeah, really, it's just best not to take a trade right now, honestly, until it breaks this consolidation somehow. And then when it breaks, you gotta wait for a retest. So it has to come back down to retest. Which, when I thought about it, when I first learned about it, you know how they say break and retest for retail trading, like a consolidated area. for ICT concepts, when it breaks, that means it's a displacement. A retest is when it comes back down and tap into that fair value gap and then push up. You know what I'm saying? So it's like that retest is basically after price displaces and it come back down and tap that gap and then, you know, go in your direction. It's like another version with two different types of trading, but it correlates together. You know what I'm saying? So that's why when I do the wedge, also I wait for like a gap. It has to be a gap. Like say if it's a wedge right here, it got to be like a fair value gap right here for me to get in on this sell to kind of correlate. Or they call it PDRAs, I think that's what they call it. Confluences, basically, it's the same thing. It's just different names for the same thing, basically. But thank you guys for pulling up though. How many votes I got? I got 23 votes. 26% bullish, 61% bearish, 13% neutral. Okay, so yeah, a lot of people were bearish today. Okay, cool. There were some opportunities, but it was basically scalping opportunities. Like this right here, when it broke this 1 minute fair value gap, that was like 58 points, close to 60 points. So I mean, wasn't bad. Wasn't a bad scalp right here. But like I said, I'll just wait for my setup. Like, because most of the time when I try to take a trade that I don't normally take, it don't work out. And then if I'm sitting here watching it, it works out. But when I actually try to do it, it don't work out. So when people be like, oh yeah, it's rejecting off it is, it's inverting this, it's like, I see it. But when I get in, it ain't gonna work out. It may not work out the way I want it to work out. Like, for you guys may scalp it for 20 points. But I'm just waiting for it to take out something and it just don't work out. You know what I'm saying? So, that's why it's just best to take out your, to stick to your trading plan. Yo, what's up, Mr. Take That Risk? Okay, you taking risks. Okay, fam. What's up? Welcome to my stream. I took an L already today, y'all. If you just now tuning in. I took it when this candle closed above this consolidation and it literally reversed on me. My stop loss was like, I forgot what my stop loss was even at, but I want to say it was like this low right here. Yeah, because this candle kind of really tore into that. Then that's when I went ahead and got out. I was already down $100 from Asian, and then I lost $340. But yeah, guys, it's just, just being transparent. It's not. I'm not one of them traders that just want to show wins and all that. Like, because trading don't work out that way. My bad. Trading don't work out that way. You're not gonna win every trade. This chop making my head hurt, but I'm still looking for price to come down. Yeah, Kashaya, yeah, it's dirty. It's dirty. That made me want to look at YM. Dirty 30. Let me see what it did today. Basically the same thing. Yep. It might come down and take out this low though. There may be a 1050 setup, but I would much rather. It wasn't even a silver bullet, but yeah, it was that large expansion for London. Yeah, and it's basically this whole range that it's in. It's basically consolidating at this range in the discount right now of this range right here. It's consolidating right here. It did take out it. It did take it to my take out it. It did take it out. What's up, Anthony? Welcome. Thank you for tuning in. What's up? What's up with you? Okay, so yeah, Nas did take out the sell side, and that's when I was kind of looking for buys. When it broke above this consolidation, I was trying to get in, for it to take out this buy side liquidity, but it didn't last. It got stopped out. That was my first trade. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. There you go. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you're new here, tell me where you from. I'm from Georgia. They keep saying it's gonna snow, but I believe it when I see it. It did snow in like 2017, 2018, 2019, somewhere in there. It did. It actually did. I never thought it'll snow in Georgia because we're so, next to the equator, as they say. But it's cap. I at this point, I don't know. But yeah, I believe it when I see it. Naz is at the lowest currently on the day. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much Anthony. My daddy name is Anthony. My little brother is a junior. Great name. Great name. Oh yeah, if you want to be a part of a bomb community, check out my link in my bio on my YouTube. I'm thinking about trading London. I do have rehearsal tonight though. I do have rehearsal tonight. Yeah. Cause it's like, but it will be the one time though that I trade London and then they do some crazy crap. Toronto. Let me guess, you a Drake fan? You a Drake fan, ain't it? Tell me what's really going on. You down 31%? It be like that. It's loving that consolidation, man. It's loving it. It's reveling in its consolidation. I'm not taking nothing in there. Yeah, pretty much. I trade the same way, Anthony. YB insoles, yeah, too. It's great for the yeah. It happens, man. It happens. It's gotta hang in there. Nothing to see here. Just a bunch of consolidation. Really wanted to take this high, honestly. This is the drama. OVO up in this thing again. What's happening? That was crazy. Nas will do all of this like it's finna break it, and then it'll just do the total opposite. Confirmation, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, same here. You trade ICT concepts? Alright, so since you're acting like you about to sell, Break this low then. If you about that life, Nez. Why does line look crooked than me? I'm tripping. A lot of people married. I mean, bearish. Oh, okay. That's shocking. Ain't nothing wrong with it though. You're making money. Hey, doesn't matter what you trade. But I was just asking because that's basically how I trade though. I trade ICT concepts. Boy, Nas capping all the way around. Even if it break this, I need to close below this blue line to even think about taking a sale. Okay, it's tapping into this gap / consolidation. Oh no. Where's my robe? Ugh, my throat's still a little sore. Ooh, wait a minute. On a live? That's what's up. 2K on a day? That's what's up. Yeah, you need to call that. Yeah, you need to secure that. You survived to trade another day for sure. I'm inspired. I'm inspired to trade with live funds. I know right now I'm not quite ready. I would say I'm like 75%. Right, Kashaya, for real. I'm like 75%. It need to be 100 for me to be okay. The only way I trade live is if like I can put 2,000 in there, like and do the same thing that I'm doing with these accounts. But at the same time, it's like my psychology got to be straight. Oh, take profit trailer eval. Okay, that's still good. Shoot, I got an email this morning. Day 4 out of 5. Oh, that's what's up. I saw this morning they sent an email out about no daily loss limit no more. They don't have a daily loss limit. I thought they didn't have a daily loss limit. But I think that's only on, they say pro and like pro plus. Okay, so it tapped into this gap right here, but I call cap. I'm not selling off of that because look at this. It got the break and close below this blue line. This from this low of this candle right here. But then again, it's like I waited for it to close here, and it. But maybe I should have just waited for a close above this high though. That's probably what I should have did. Instead of just close above it, I should have just waited for it to close above this. These I don't even know what to call this. Swing high. That's just 3 distinct rejections right there from that on that 1 minute. Oh my god, man, it just looks ugly. Oh my god, you look at the 5 and the 15. Oh my god. Well, on ES anyway. Ugh. That is just ugly. Well, we're 2 minutes away. Just started this week. Oh, okay, that's what's up. I think they did it for the New Year because the activation code is like New Year 50, New Year 50 or 50 New Year for their coupon code. Well, I want to say a coupon, but well, yeah, I think they have all type of stuff going on. I think it's like a 50% something. Trading view is tripping. What? On Tradeovate, Angelo? Alright, so it finally broke, but I need to close below here. I need a continuation close. I ain't playing with that, man. That's what I'm saying. Chopped up. Where's my I don't know, bruh. I don't know why it's been doing that lately. My stuff been disappearing on my chart. Okay, I see what you're talking about, Angelo. Trade view be freaking. I don't know. Trading view must be tired or something. I don't know. I put y'all saw me put this on my screen. It disappeared. I don't know where it's at. So I had to type another one. That is just ugly. They better not waste another macro inside this consolidation. That's two macros in a row wasted inside this consolidation. This right here was the 950 macro over here. And we have a whole nother macro. Come on, man. Yep, missed the hopes and stop losses. Yeah, let's see if we get speed. Yeah, hopefully. That was wild, man. I didn't even get a chance to even set my stop loss price moving so freaking fast. As soon as I'm like, literally, my entry was the top of this bullish candle, and it just reversed. Like, lunch, nah, I don't know about lunch. You know, lunch be doing some crazy stuff too. But I don't know, being that we consolidating early, it might be a little breakout at lunchtime, Grave. We might. We have medium impact news at 8:30 on tomorrow. It's one of my favorite shirts. One of my favorite shirts. I ain't gonna lie, y'all already know. If you're in my Discord, you already know, like, it's about that time to eat. Good morning, Reese. Good morning, fam. What's going on? Yeah, Michelle. Yeah, man. But sometimes pre-market be showing them good setups. It's like soon as 9:30 hit, it's like it just be we throw up all over the charts. It's just like look at this. Like look at this. 950. The best trade you probably could have taken at 930 was this right here. This drop right here. It would have still been in profit today. It still would have been profit if we would have got in at this. I think it was a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Or it could have been like I was saying, this 1-minute fair value gap. That was like 60 points right there. That's the only setups that probably could have been taken at 930 open. Or just if somebody would have got off the touch of this trend line that I have marked from the 15-minute. But then this the range we working with though. We in a discount. A discount right now. So, oh, there you go right there. It was just too high or something. Took the long. Targeting 65.75. Okay. Good luck. Oh, you in sales. Okay. I gotta spread it out over there so I can see it clearly. That's just it. That's just throw up. That's just throw up. Alright, let me see. Move this out of the way. Alright, so Kashaya is in shorts. And Mr. Hopes and stop losses are in sales. Pre-market is better, yeah. Sometimes you gotta tweak some things. I had to tweak some things this week. With taking, golly, that's throw up too. Oh my goodness, that's just ugly. Let me place a horizontal line so I can see. Okay, that's what you targeted. Okay, cool. Alright, so Mr. Hopes and stop losses. Hopes and stop losses in longs. I see why though. Oh wait, he probably in longs on NAS. But NAS do have a fair value gap right here. I'm not trusting nothing in this range. I'm sorry. I already done got burnt up here trying to get in buys and it just disrespected everything. But I do see a reason to get in buys, but I just don't want to take it inside that range. How's it going for me? Yeah, I took 1 L already today. I was down 100 for Asian, so that 340 put me at like negative 400 and something for the day so far. So I'm just trying to see what price is doing right now. I mean, it is bouncing off of this gap, but I mean on ES. But look at all this throw up to the left. Like that's just throw up. That's just throw up, man. 15-minute sweep below during macro and S&T with YM. Alright, same thing with buys on NAS. I'm not hopping in buys until I get a close above this red line. And then even if it does that, there is a 15-minute fair value gap that it can be bearish off of. It could be a SIBI, or it could be a, I mean, it already bounced off of it before. Those 3 distinct candles on that 1 minute. These 3 candles right here reject off of it strongly here 3 times. Look how long those wicks are when it did it. Alright, Mr. Hopes and all stop losses. I'm pretty sure you in good profit right now, huh? That's what's up. But I do see this right here. But it's like, you can take that, but you don't know if it'll play out. You know, I just, Cause it already done did this crap here. So I need to close above that red line. Above this how am I trading view don't have a delay? What you mean? I have to yeah, if you have delays on your chart, that means you gotta pay for that the CME group. Yeah, lower risk. That's all. Yeah, that's all you can do. You right. You right. I'm convicted to get in buys now, but I done got burnt already. So I'd rather wait and see how price reacts. You see, it's a 2-minute gap here on ES. I might just wait for it to break this trend line. Oh, okay. Yeah, I took a trade this morning, Reese. It was a L. Alright, look like I might get that close above there, but gotta be careful because it's a 15-minute fair value gap right there. It can easily reject off of that thing. Uh-oh. You know what time it is. Stomach growling. Oh, it says 21-21429. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what's up. That was nice. Took it off his gap. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, that was a daredevil trade there, boy. That was inside that what's the face? Consolidation. Alright, yeah. It still ain't closed above there, but I don't know you. You don't know me. You know better than that. Alright, y'all. Let me see what my stop loss will be looking like.
Order filled.
Oh, golly. Okay, stomach, relax, calm down. Sheesh. Alright, y'all. I'm in buys. I'm taking a risk. I'm gonna take 2 off right here if it gets here. Take out this high here. Partials. But I am kind of skeptical just a little bit because we are in at that 15-minute gap right there. Is it 15 minute? What gap was it? Yeah. We got this 50%. or the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute fair value gap. So let's see how this plays out. I'm gonna put it over here because I read the comments on this screen. So hold on. Just gotta hope and play stops. Literally. Holding a YM trade, you in buys. You got to be in buys now. Oh my god, man. We got 6 minutes until this 1050 macro over with. Yes, we jutting off of this trend line. Okay, all I can get out of that is Tanya Trees. That's all I can see. I don't. What are you saying? Do you speak English? I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. But all I get out of is Tanya Trees. That's all I get out of that. I like Tanya Trees, by the way. She's a dope trader. That's a lot. I don't know what you're saying. Hamza Scott? I don't know what that means. It must be somebody speaking another language. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. this black, I'm gonna put it over there. Oh, y'all keep going. I don't know what y'all saying. Can somebody translate that, please? He's Indian. What is he saying? Oh. I think my chat was translating what he was saying. He said I'm black in India. And yeah, I don't know. But yeah, if you're just tuning in, I got in because this consolidation, it broke it finally, so I got in. Thank you, SRL Vlogs. Thank you. Oh. You too, Hopes and Stop Losses, Mr. Hopes and Stop Losses. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day. Well, blessed rest of your day. God bless you too. Oh, thank you. Alright, I think I'm gonna move my stop. Thank you, Nate. But yeah, I basically got in. I wanted to wait until this high right here was taken. And it ended up taking it out. So after this candle, I just went ahead and got in. I did get in here, but it ended up reversing. So I should have just waited until this high was taken instead of just waiting for a close above this consolidation. So that's basically why I got in. Yeah, I'm trying, Grave. I might get stopped out though. I just need this to hold. Alright, well, I tried. But I honestly think it's like a brief pullback, to be honest. I think it's a pullback, and it might continue to push up higher. Yeah. What's up, Tashi? Llama? Yeah. That's why I'm like having my hair down, man. I was thinking about getting in buys right here when it come out of this fair value gap again, but I don't like how it closed below it. But it could be a pullback though. It could be a pullback. It might be trying to come and fill in some of these imbalances down here. So it seemed like that 15-minute fair value gap did show who's boss. Overall. I mean, after all. Because it's like, if it was gonna... I mean, it can still push up, of course, but if it was gonna push up, it wouldn't have closed below here. It just inverted this, so it's like... I don't know about buys right now. Alright, let me go to trading view. Because last time I was doing that, you know, I have everything on here. What was it, 115? What? How much was it? 130. Well, yeah, it wanted to come down here and fill in them imbalances down there. It was like, wait a minute, let me go back in, fill in something real quick. I'll be right back. Now it might be time for a little nice pull back to the upside. So, okay, all right, Naz. I see what you got going on. I'm gonna remove this 15-minute gap. It already served its purpose. We know it's there. So basically, it's retesting this. Breakout, retest. This year makes 5 years. SRL. Breakout, retest. That's what I'm saying. And guess what? It retested inside this gap. So now the question is, uh-oh. Let me lock that because I don't have time to be doing locked. 5 years. Yeah, I actually have a withdrawal video if you check that out from Topstep. I got to pay out from Topstep. Well, payouts, plural. I'm trying to get back to that, man. But I have the confidence that I can do it again because I did it once and I know I can do it again. Right now, what I'm working on is, which I did a good job yesterday and I did a good job today to a certain extent. It's just that when I got in that trade earlier, I didn't have time to set my stop loss, so it kind of put me behind a little bit. Okay, let me move ES over there. It's going right back into this consolidation, y'all. Look at that. I mean, where did N get no entry or nothing? Was it a 30-second entry? It was way up here. 30-second. Silver bullet or market structure shift. Took this high. I guess you can count that as an SMT, but not really. Okay, it was a gap right here in a 30-second. But I don't take 30-second trades though. It got to be like nothing on the 1 minute and 2 minute. Looking for an ONL to get in. What's that? Is that another word for like confirmation or like a setup? Tashi. But yeah, all it was a breakout and retest. Classic. It took out this high over here. But it did not take this high. This was my when I was in buys, that was my partial area to take. That was my partial. Oh, overnight low. I never heard of that. Wow. Learn something new every day. I've heard of like a midnight low, midnight open, that sort of thing. It's respecting this 2 minute for value gap. But even if that just looks bearish to me. I mean, of course, it can be a breakout, retest, and continuation, but overnight low, it's kind of like the same as London low, but it took out London low already. But this is the new low of the day. This candle right here, from 10:01 a.m. So now you want to tap into this. Yeah, I mean, this is basically my results for the day. So 1 minute fair value gap right here. I'd rather be, if I take that, I'd rather be in buys if I take that 1 minute trade, because it already done tapped off of this 2 minute fair value gap right here. I don't like that on the 2 minute. These candles are too, this tough price action today, but it's like there were some opportunities, but it just didn't last long. Like that buy I was in did not last long at all. It was very short lived. But yeah, if y'all interested in a community, a Discord community, hold on, let me yeah, if you're interested in a community that will, you know, hold you accountable, help you with, you know, how you look at the charts. Very supportive community, no drama. I don't have time for drama, none of that type of stuff. Check out the link in my YouTube bio. It's $25 a month. I do trade Asian session. I try to do it like once or twice a week. So yeah, this is, you know, and a lot of the sessions are recorded. You know, just to basically hold ourselves accountable and just to be better traders. It's good to have like a good supportive community to, you know, if you're feeling down, you're feeling low, you know, you have people that is on the same journey as you, and it's good to have like, you know, some support in that area. Because I know for me, like, my family supports, you know, my trading journey, but they don't understand like why you keep losing money, you know. And it's just, when you're trading, you keep investing in yourself. That's just something that you have to do to be successful. You know, you can take losses. You know, you put $1,000 in the account, blow it. It's like your family members don't quite understand completely the ins and outs of it. So, you know, the community is basically to help you mentally, help you with your psychology, and maybe if it's something that, and it's for me as well. Like, for some people to say, you know, what I can work on or what they see that can help me. Like I say, I'm open to, you know, suggestions and stuff like that. So yeah, if it's something that you're really, interested in, then check the link out, man. Like, you're trying to get these payouts for 2025 in a whole nother year. We in January. It's fresh. You know what I'm saying? So it's all about just being positive, having a positive community. It is Christian based. We have Bible scriptures in there, and I do plan on having, little Bible studies, Bible study sessions, and stuff like that. Just to be successful, because, I mean, at the end of the day, we want to be successful traders, but outside of trading is what's important too as well. You know what I mean? Like, everything is not all about trading. Like, you have to live your life. Like, you need breaks sometimes, so, just something positive to help on your trading journey. And for me, it's like, I give like my take on the market, but I think for me the most important thing is about having a close knit community, to help and guide you on, especially if you're new. And I do take one-on-ones. I do one-on-one mentorships to people who like really is like freshly new. And for me, it's like more of mindset versus like strategy. Like, of course, I'll tell everything that I know and what I learned and stuff like that, because I used to be a retail trader. So, I mean, just here, just for a community and just for help, basically. But yeah, that might be it for me, y'all, because it ain't really. It's 11:30. We have that 11:50 macro. I might wait for that. It was about 20 minutes. Might wait for that last bit of volume to come in for this 10:50 macro. It did bounce off of this, but who knew it was gonna do that inside of that? So at the end of the day, it's just about having your risk. You know what I'm saying? If you see something, it may go against you. Like when I got in this buy right here, it didn't last long, but I happened to get 130 out of that. But you just have to set your risk, have great risk management. But the goal is to take A+ setups. Like, you don't want to really be taking setups that's kind of like, But this was kind of like a continuation trade-ish from this gap right here. And I just waited for this breakout. And then I got in somewhere. Yeah, I got in right here after this bullish candle right here. That's when I got in and got that little momentum, and then it ended up dropping. So yeah, this is my stacks up here. But yeah, this would have been a nice little sell off this gap. The only thing is, it was in that consolidation. I want to see what the risk to reward would have been like if I would have got in. And my stop loss probably would have been around here. Take profit. Shoot, take profit would have been this high right here. I probably would have took it to this, and it did ended up taking this high out. But I really was targeting these highs over here, these relative equal highs up there. That's what I was mainly targeting. But it did take out this high right here. It did. It absolutely did for that expansion macro right there. So there was an opportunity. It was just inside that consolidation. That's why I didn't take it, because I already had got burnt. If that was my first trade and I would have took that risk, because the stop loss, the risk would have been like impeccable. But being that when I got in and it reversed on me, and my stop loss was like right here when this second candle came down, I wasn't about to take this inside that right there. Oh, it's reacting off of this 2 minute, but look how it's moving up though. It's like a little 1 minute fair value gap in the middle of all of that foolishness and confusion. ES did break out of this trend line, but it ended up rejecting it again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So it's only a matter of time before it's gonna break up for buys. And it's a daily fair value. It's a daily fair value gap up there. Let me look at ES real quick. Oh yeah, that's an old daily fair value gap. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. It should be a 1 hour one up there. That's old. Yeah. Anybody in the trade right now? It's some tough price action though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, ES ain't playing. ES already rejected off of that 1 hour. That would have been a nice entry right there. Well, that was before New York session. Wow. And NAS 1 hour is up here. And this right here is the CE of the 4 hour fair value gap. I just have that marked, but it's look like it's low key bucking. Yes, US 30 ES sales. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, you still holding that trade, Reese? I know you said you was in that this morning. You was in there earlier. You was in by. Oh yeah, this leg right here. Yeah, hold that. Yeah, ES had an entry too on a 2 minute in the middle of that consolidation, and it came back down here and rejected off of it and took off. And it's like finding a needle in a haystack with them type of entries right there. Same thing with NAS on that 1 minute entry. Was that a 1 minute entry? Yeah, right here. It's like finding a needle in a haystack in the middle of that. It's like, oh, boom. Dang, ES already tapped off that, so ES ain't playing, boy. ES ain't playing no games. That's where that's when the wedge was created. Alright, well. I think NAS capping though. I think like for the afternoon macro, it's just gonna push up. A big bearish engulfing on the daily. Man, NAS don't know what they want to do. Oh, you back? It don't drop right back down that consolidation, man. Dang. You gonna see what this 1150 macro gonna do. That's my last. After that, it's over with. I ain't trying to really. I mean, if I do happen to get in a trade, of course I'll hold it, but retest. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. This is my daddy calling. I gotta take it. Okay, thank y'all so much. I was talking to my daddy. I had to take that. I had to take it. I had to take it. You only get one. You only get one papa and one mama. Well, it did sell off this 2-minute fair value gap right here. I wasn't expecting that at all, but yeah, it just wasn't really my setup. I mean, I managed to. This is my stats for the day. If you just now tuning in, I'm straight on my Topstep account. I'm still down like 3 something though. I'm down like 317 because I did lose 100 from Asian, so that 130 really didn't chip too much that much. So dang, that pushed down like a macro. What she said. Yeah, it respected, yeah. Because I said if it closed below here, I was going to get in sales. But y'all see what it did. It closed below and now it's going right back up there. So 6 minutes to this macro. We'll see. But it's not looking like promising too much right now. Not looking too promising. Yeah, if I would have got in on that close though, I would have got cooked. Cause my stop loss would have been the top of this candle or that candle. But it's inverting this fair value gap right here though. I normally delete all of these gaps, but like price be coming back up and moving, be rejecting off of them, so I'm trying to keep it up there for right now. I can remove this one though, cause that's where it rejected off of this 2 minute right here. So I don't know, maybe now this is the distance that I'm used to for my SMT displacement. That's what I'm used to right there. This distance, this is a nice divergence for me for my trade for a reversal, and it just left a 1 minute gap here. But I don't want it to ping pong off of these gaps though. I don't want it to ping pong. Boom boom, you know what I mean? Just looking at the shape of everything. Let me go to the 15. It's refusing to sell off though. It's a 1 hour fair value gap down here. It swept it, but it hasn't ran it yet, just yet. That's what I'm saying. I feel like that 2 to 3 silver bullet is gonna buy. I feel like it's gonna buy off for the rest of the day. I mean, it is bearish right now. Low, high, low, high, low, lower, high. So what I'm saying, that's why I left this for a value gap right here, because it just reacted off of it again. Now we have 3 minutes until this macro. If I can get like a nice inversion sell off of this, then I'll be in for sales. But it could be displacing though. But I'm really sitting here thinking what high it would need to take out. Move this for a second. I think this too high though. I was about to say it need to take out this high and then come back down, but I don't think it's gonna do that. It's too much for it to do this, break that high, and then I don't know. Or just even like wick right there and just come back. Now I can see it coming back and inverting this gap right here. This 1 minute. I can see it doing that. But to come all the way down here, I don't see it doing that. We'll see. This the last resort. Like this the last trade right here, cause I'm hungry. And I don't eat breakfast. I don't drink coffee or none of that. Yeah, y'all know it's coming. If you in my Discord. Getting the white mouth. When I have my chapstick. Up here. I can't be talking to y'all with chapped up lips. Jesus. I'm like, ooh, her lips ashy. Y'all ever talk to somebody with ashy lips and just be like, golly, just lick them one good time. Ah. Alright, see now this thing is slick. See, it nicked this gap right here. It nicked this 1 minute fair value gap right there. Well, let me do the regular so y'all can see it clearly. Y'all see that? It nicked it. Well, let me move this. Y'all see that? Nasdaq is slick, boy. Alright, so it did take this high, so this I don't know, this may be the displacement right here. This will be nice, I'm not gonna lie. And my stop loss will be right here, the low of this candle. That is a volume imbalance down there too, though. It's a volume imbalance. See how it took this high. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. It took this high and then, but it's, I don't know, I just need a more like distinct high to be taken. It's just not, I mean a high is a high, but it's time. I feel like it is when you're in this macro. It may push up, but let me see. Alright, that stop loss. My stop loss would at least have to be this low right here. If I do a buy stop. Oh, let me go on Topstep real quick. Yeah, if I get in. See, it's still rejecting. It's still rejecting off of that. Then it's this 2 minute. It's just so many obstacles in the way. You know. But yeah, if I were to get in this right here, my stop loss would at least have to be this low, bro. That's 30. Where's my calculator at? Yeah, that'll be 300. Nah, I'm gonna have to cut that short. That'll be a 300. That'll be a $300 stop loss. I might chicken out. I might chicken out because it has to break out though. We'll see. That's gonna be like 200 and something. Yeah, everybody be asking about that calculator. I'm gonna have to get paid for this. Cause the calculator is his name is the Unhappy Trader on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit him up and be like, I'm need an affiliate link or something. Cause he making money off of me. I'm not even gonna cap. I don't mind helping people out, but a lot of people be asking about that calculator. He getting paid. I'm not getting paid. But it's only $6. It's only $6. It's called the Unhappy Trader. I'll pull it up in a minute. I'm just looking at this setup though. This fair value gap is holding. And it might pull back. It might pull back. We'll see. And see how it's moving. Yeah, next level, shoot. But I got you though. I got you. Just don't let me forget before sharing it. But it's the Unhappy Trader though. You can look it up right now. The Unhappy Trader here on YouTube. If you go in any bio of his videos, it'll say risk calculator. It's like $6 and some change, or $7 or something like that. It's really cheap. It is really not worth what he's selling it for though, honestly. Like, in my opinion, that has really changed my risk management. I might only look for it to take out this high. I'm not even trying to. I'm not liking this, man. Did I? Oh, I'm in it. It triggered me in, y'all. It's the last trade of the day. This is it. This is it. Like Michael Jackson, this is it. If this don't play out, I'm done. I mean, I'm done either way, but yeah, if this don't play out, I'm done, bro. I'll put it on here too. Oh, Lord. Let's see, guys. Let's see. That's an untouched 2-minute fair value gap right there. I'll put this over here and read y'all comments. $53 votes. Ooh, shoot. Yeah, a lot of people was bearish. 51%, 34% bullish, and 15% neutral. Look at my Discord. I know some people would have made some bread today. Let's get it. Hey. Okay, Reese. What's up? What's up? I love to see it. Love to see people win. What? Yeah, ain't no reason. Yeah, pray for LA. Continue prayers for LA. Imagine you walking out your door and you seeing fire everywhere. That's crazy. So keep them in y'all prayers, y'all. That's another 2-minute fair value. Yeah. They losing streaks happen, man, for real. Like when I took the payouts, I was on a winning streak for about a week straight, and once I got the payouts though, I think that's what really kind of got me. After I got the payouts, it's like I just kept losing after that. But yeah, losing streaks happen. That's what I had to really tell myself that, you know, losing streaks happen. You're gonna go on losing streaks. Don't think you're gonna always win. Like, it's gonna be days where like every trade you put in, it just ain't gonna work out. But that's part of the game though. It's part of the game. You just gotta make them adjustments, because at the end of the day, if you're doing the same thing, it's the conditions of the market. But you can't let the conditions of the market control how you trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, continue to do the same thing, manage your risk. But like, you just gotta be able to trade in any conditions of the market. because the conditions is not going to always be the same. Like them trades that you take all the time, that you know, you may have like a 75% win rate. You know, the market not gonna move like that all the time. That's what I had to learn too. Like you're not gonna be able to, like, when you, like my setup, it won't stick half of the, you know, sometimes I won't say half the time, but you know, it won't stick. But for me, my struggle is right now is when I have like a fire entry, and it'll go back to my entry, and then I don't take partials, I don't take anything off the table. That is what I'm working on now. Matter of fact, I think I'm finna go ahead and take one off right now, just to secure some profit. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely something I have to work on. Like yesterday, like just yesterday, I had a better day at doing that. Because I'll be in profit like 50, 60 points. And then I'll let it come down and stop me out. Or I'll lose. Like, I shouldn't be losing money when you in profit. Like, you in profit, you should take something. Yeah, good job, Reese. Good job, man. That's what's up. We celebrate our people in the Discord, bro. I know everybody be like, oh, you're not supposed to be emotional. You're not supposed to do... Bruh, you enjoy your wins. Write that stuff down, journal it, and move on. You know what I'm saying? It's good to celebrate it when you can, you know? Shit, we human. We can't be robots. Right. Investor Z. Yeah, like, every day is not gonna be a trend day. You're not gonna be able to sit there and hold a trade. You know what I'm saying? When, like, I'm in profit right now. Like, I shouldn't. There's no reason why I should leave the market right now with nothing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take another one off. Because we reaching this 2-minute fair value gap. And it might try to reverse it. Might try to do something. I don't know. But at least I took something off the table. There's a 1 minute. There you go. Yeah, I'll let it come down. I'll come back. I'll let it come back down. Retest this 1 minute. And retest this 1 minute. I'm only risking 49.50 at this point, but I done took partials already. I done took 48 bucks, 39. Okay, wait, yeah, I done took 39 and 48 so far. You gotta take something. I don't care how much it is. It could be $1. You gotta take something. Yeah, good job, Reese. Yeah, that's why I like Topstep. You can lock yourself out and be done with it. And Reese only been trading what, a year? You said a year and some change. That's impressive. I've been in the trading game for 5 years now. If you're new here, tell me where you from. Welcome. What's up? What's up? God, I got to burp. Yeah, it's about time to eat now. Year and 2 months. I don't like the way it's kind of rejecting a little bit. I don't like that. I don't like it. One minute till the macro is done over with. Yeah, I said I'll give it to this fair value gap and this fair value gap. Cutting it short after that. I ain't playing with Nas today. Nas will make a fool out of you. Not think twice. Nas do not care. Thank you, AK Gunson, for subscribing. Thank you, thank you. I really want Price to take out this buy side, but we've been in this since freaking open at 9:30. I don't think it's getting up there no time soon. I'm gonna take a glimpse at the chart for between 3 and 4 though, just to see what's going on. Cause yesterday it was a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup yesterday. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Is it pulling back or is it gearing for a drop? What y'all think? Because it is some imbalances down here. There's a reason for it to drop. But the way it's moving though, I don't think it's gonna be like a complete drop. I think it's gonna be like a pullback, like a dip, and then kind of do that. But we in this afternoon time now, so it ain't probably gonna be much or nothing going on. But my risk is set. I'm satisfied with my risk. So yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like a little pullback, but I ain't about to risk my capital trying to see how far it's gonna pull back. But it may pull back and then continue to push higher. It's all good. Oh. What you gonna do, Naz? Yeah, that's what I said. I think it's pulling back right now. Yeah, it's pulling back, and then it'll probably tap into here and then do some crap, do some other stuff. So, excuse me. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Now that's messed up. Yeah, I'm done. I ain't got time. I'm trying to see how much I lost on that trade. No, it's right here. 40, yeah, okay, 49.50. So it was partial. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Michelle. Alright guys, this is my sell for the day. My stats for today. Took partials on this trade. Lost for 950, so total 284. So I was originally down $100 and then I made 130. Then I lost 340, so I was down like 400 or something. And then I made 130, and then I took $87 of partials, and then my stop loss was short 49.50. So this is my balance on Topstep. And yep, that's it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for chilling with me. God bless all of y'all. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank y'all for tuning in. Also, if you want to join my Discord, the link is in my my bio on YouTube. Royal Trading Circle. Got some good stuff coming. I just started it probably like a couple of weeks ago. A lot of plans. This list will be longer because I do plan to do a lot within my Discord. So yeah, so if you wanted to have a dope community, positivity, we're all about, being positive, looking out for each other, and just holding each other accountable as traders, because it's good to have a good trading community with trading. Because trading, I would say trading is hard, but what makes it hard is the way you think, and how you manage your trades. But trading is really not that hard, but it really comes down to the mentality and the psychology of trading. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'm not sure if I'll be streaming on tomorrow on YouTube. I may just stream on my Discord, but I may trade London session, but I gotta figure that out. But yeah, guys, so God bless you all. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.
Amen.
Peace. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Entertainment.